say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Me there too long now, I stay down. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Lift me high, make the blessings surround. Me say long time me gone, where me mind they at. Jah, wake me up, bring me back, me chat. Daydream living, me soul gone sleep. Eyes shut tight, but me heart now weep. Me say Jah, wake me up, shake me up, take me high. Babylon system, I try to make me cry, but me say hard enough. Fling the gates wide open, redemption a come, running like the ocean. Jah, you make me heart want serve your name. Inna this your world where so much a shame. Me broke free from the quicksand, rise from the muck. No more me stuck, me soul lift up. Fly high, up and away me go. Jerusalem me home, the roots a grow. Say the vibes strong, the truth a show. Me walk on Jah path, love overflow. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. They are too long now, I stay down. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Lift me high, make the blessings surround. Say open up the skies, Jah light a shine. Cleanse me soul, purify me mind. The fire blaze strong, me not stay blind. Jah glory a guide me in this time. So me say, raise me up, take me pon higher heights. Babylon chains broke, me say good night. Rise up the people, light up the flame. Jah kingdom come, we all call the name. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. They are too long now, I stay down. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Lift me high, make the blessings surround. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Me there too long now, I stay down. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Lift me high, make the blessings surround. Too long now, I stay down. Me say Jah, raise me up from the ground. Lift me high, make the blessings surround.
Yeah, grind the herb, burn it up, make the session, yeah. Do something good for your soul, make the spirit sigh. Me say it loud. Take a trip on a spliff on the ocean side. Watch the wave, them a crash like a natural vibe. You have to know, say the moment how well life provide. No bad pre, no bad vibes. Steady on my feet, my firm like a tree. But while you're dealing, you're too far from we. Your heart too dirty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sell your soul for the riches and fame. You think you win, but it's all a game. Me no know you again. You're too bad mind. One life me have, so me live it like holiday. No stress, no worry, burn the trouble and pain away. Life of ups and downs, but me rise and pray. Tell myself, go and do something great today. Plenty people lost them, drift like the breeze. Chasing dreams that can't bring them no peace. Them no care about me, them no care about you. But me have to say your love, always true. Me living it up, no bring me down. Roll the herbs past the chalice round. Me no want end up last inna the crowd. Feet steady on the ground, and me proud. Me living it up, no bring me down. Roll the herbs past the chalice round. Me no want end up last inna the crowd. Feet steady on the ground, and me proud. Them are too dark, them can't see light. Sell out them soul for gain, but the vibes no right. Me keep it humble, Rastafari guide. Jah bless the path where me trod in life. Me hear the rhythm calling, feel it in my soul. Dub wise carry the message, make the story unfold. Me no follow vanity, me no follow them road. Jaja like the way me have to trod it pole. Na na na, eh. My brother, yeah I know. Hold the vibes, hold the faith. Jah guide the way. Bad mind can't prosper, them fall like clay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, Jah break the chains. Babylon system a cause the pain. We chant for freedom, we chant for life. Jah light a guide, we through the strife. Them build the city from blood and tears. Lock we down in a system of fear. Them promise hope but deliver lies. Babylon blind me with the smoke in the skies. Oh, them take the youth and turn them cold. Them sell out the truth for the silver and gold. But the roots run deep and the lion not sleep. The fire ignite when the righteous speak. Babylon chains, we are break them apart. The love of Jaja live deep in my heart. Babylon chains can't hold we no more. We rise up strong, we kick down the door. The system designed for keep we low, but Jah wisdom make the truth them show. Them use the media for spread them lies, but Jah light shine bright, we can't compromise. Them want control, them want we weak, but we rebel voice arise when the truth we speak. The herb in our hand, we meditate. We see the vision clear, we not go wait. Babylon chains, we are break them apart. The love of Jaja live deep in my heart. Babylon chains can't hold we no more. We rise up strong, we kick down the door. Break the chains, let the rhythm play. We chant for freedom, we chant today. The bass line roll, the drum beat strong. Babylon fall when the people sing along. Oh, the lion a roar, the trumpet sound. Babylon crumble when the roots stand ground. From the ghetto to the hills, we unite as one. We fight for the freedom till the battle done. Oh, my sister, my brethren, all the faith. The hour draw near, Jah open the gate. The chains them gone, the future bright. We chant your name in the morning light. Babylon chains, we are break them apart. The love of Jaja live deep in my heart. Babylon chains can't hold we no more. We rise up strong, we kick down the door. Oh, Jah guide we steps, guide we way. Babylon fall, we rise today. We chains them gone, we overcome strife. Oh yeah, 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 oh, oh, yeah. The earth are healed, the skies are blue, the hearts of the people them shine with truth. No more greed, no more war, the blessings of Jah guide we from afar. Material things them fade away, true wealth is the life we live today. Freedom reign, we soul them fly, the herb make we see through the Babylon light. A new world where the love run deep, the people rejoice, Jah blessings we keep. A new world where the truth shine bright, freedom and peace in Jah holy light. The ganja smoke rise like the morning sun, the healing herb unite we as one. We chant Jah name, we hold Jah hand, we build this world on Zion land. The rivers flow, the mountains stand, the world I live in Jah perfect plan. Oh, no more borders, no more hate, the new world rise we celebrate. A new world where the love run deep, the people rejoice, Jah blessings we keep. A new world where the truth shine bright, freedom and peace in Jah holy light. Oh Jah, the herb inspire, make the people rise through the holy fire. The bass line roll, the rhythm pure, a new world rise for Jah love endure. Oh my sister and my brethren, hold Jah near, the time for the new world, the time is here. We live for love, we live for peace, the herb make we strength never cease. From the ashes of Babylon Jah bring we through, the people united, the world brand new. The Ganja vibes guide we to Jah way, we give thanks for the blessings each day. A new world where the love run deep, the people rejoice, Jah blessings we keep. A new world where the truth shine bright, freedom and peace in Jah holy light. Oh Jah, let the love inspire, make the world rise higher and higher. The herb of life, the gift so true, a new world rise, Jah all thanks to you. Father forgive me beg you one time, me no want stray nor cross the line. Raise up the vibration, make it shine. If me forget your name, cut off me right hand. If me forget the praise, then me know me damn. Jah guide me through the fire and storm. In the darkest night you keep me warm. Me see the wicked them a plan for do harm, but me chant the psalms, you give me the calm. The lion roar for the truth where we stand on. Me not bow down to no wicked man plan. Me walk with your light, the staff in me hand. Father forgive me are your faithful son. Father forgive me beg you one time. Me no want stray nor cross the line. Raise up the vibration, make it shine. Oh, if me forget your name, cut off me right hand. If me forget to praise, then me know me damn. Oh, me hear the rhythm call the heartbeat of earth. Roots run deep, the wisdom of me birth. Babylon a try to corrupt the turf, but me stay true, chant words of worth. Hail the most high, me say Jah you're great. Even when trials come, me keep my faith. Them can't stop the works when me dedicate. Father, me know say you open the gate. Oh Jah, me say purify my soul, guide me steps, take full control. Me nah look back. Jah no let me slip. Me are your servant, me are your ship, sailing on your waters, Jah make me equip. Father forgive me beg you one time. Me no want stray nor cross the line. Raise up the vibration, make it shine. Yeah. If me forget your name, cut off me right hand. If me forget to praise, then me know me damn. Jah Jah rise the sun, shine light on the way. Father, me give thanks for another day. Me nah lose faith, me always a pray. Still I see I guide me nah go stray. Father, forgive me sing this song. Jah me hail your name, my heart beats strong. The righteous path is where me belong. Forever in your arms, Jah me carry on. Bless the land, bless the seed. The fields of freedom we truly need. No more chains, no more fight. Ganja fields blaze under Jah light. Me see the vision in my mind so clear. The herb grow tall, no more fear. The farmer them free for plant Jah gift. The fields of freedom, the spirit live. Oh, from the valleys low to the mountains high. The ganja wave like the blue sky. The youth rejoice, the elders pray. Fields of freedom, Jah guide the way. Fields of freedom, make the herb grow tall. Bless the people, bless them all. Fields of freedom, the herb provide. The healing herb make the world unite. No more jail cells, no more lies. The herb bring truth, the herb open eyes. Them can't deny what Jah create. The fields of freedom will decide the fate. Oh, the world a change, the people see. The herb bring peace, Jah set it free. From the sacred roots to the shining leaf. Fields of freedom bring relief. Fields of freedom, make the herb grow tall. Bless the people, bless them all. Fields of freedom, the herb provide. The healing herb make the world unite. No more jail cells, no more lies. The herb bring truth, the herb open eyes. Them can't deny what Jah create. The fields of freedom will decide the fate. Oh, the world a change, the people see. The herb bring peace, Jah set it free. From the sacred roots to the shining leaf. Fields of freedom bring relief. Fields of freedom, make the herb grow tall. Bless the people, bless them all. Fields of freedom, the earth provide. The healing herb make the world unite. Oh, Jah the rhythm flow through the fields where the ganja grow. The bassline deep, the message clear. Fields of freedom when time is near. The chant for the farmers who hold the land, who plant Jah herb with loving hand. The ganja make the nation strong. Fields of freedom where we belong. Oh, the youth a smile, the world rejoice. The herb a Jah gift we live with voice. We not stop fight till the chains them break. Fields of freedom we dedicate. Fields of freedom, make the herb grow tall. Bless the people, bless them all. Fields of freedom, the earth provide. The healing herb make the world unite. Oh, Jah guide the people to Jah plan. The fields of freedom in every land. Forever grow, forever thrive. Fields of freedom keep Jah love alive.
for all we need. From the roots to the leaf, the truth we find. Healing the body, healing the mind. Like the herb for the pain it ease. It soothe the soul, bring your peace. The ganja vibes, them calm the storm. The healer in me hand keep my spirit warm. From the hills where the ganja grow, to the city where the people know the herb of life, Jah wisdom flow. I give for the world, for the love it show. Ganja healer, bless the land, lift the people with Jah hand. Ganja healer, pure and free, healing Jah people globally. The Babylon fight it, them call it crime, but the ganja plant stand the test of time. For the sick and the weary, for the blind man's sight, the herb bring the people back to Jah light. Oh, me say me no need no pill or drug. The ganja healer bring Jah hug. It cure the heart, it heal the pain. A sacred gift in Jah holy name. Ganja healer, bless the land, lift the people with Jah hand. Ganja healer, pure and free, healing Jah people globally. Oh, Jah, let the smoke rise high, carry Jah healing up to the sky. The rhythm roll, the heart beat true. The ganja healer make the world anew. Me chant for the farmer who plant with care, who cultivate Jah herb for the love it share. From the fields of Zion to the streets below, the ganja healer make the blessings flow. Oh, Jah protect the earth, protect the roots, guide the people to the healing truths. The herb is love, the herb is life. It conquer the darkness, it cut the strife. Ganja healer, bless the land, lift the people with Jah hand. Ganja healer, pure and free, healing Jah people globally. Oh, Jah, bless the earth, make it thrive, healing the people, make them survive. Ganja healer, Jah gift to all, forever we chant, Jah name we call. Oh, Jah, the herb for the people, set it free, make the love grow deeper. No more chains, no more fear, herb liberation, the time is here. From the hills of Jamaica to the urban streets, the ganja vibes bring the people peace. Them fight the herb, them call it wrong, but Jah know the herb make the weak man strong. Oh, the farmers them suffer, the youth them cry, while Babylon sit on the throne and lie. It's time for the truth, the world to see. The herb is Jah gift for you and me. Herb liberation, set it free. From the mountains to the shining sea, herb liberation, the world unite. Lift Jah name in the herb's pure light. Them say legalize, but who hold the power? The same hands that make the poor man cower. Them tax the herb, but them no share the gain, while the small man struggling at the system strain. Oh, Jah, protect the ganja fields, guide the farmers through Jah shields. The herb bring healing, the herb bring love for the nation. Rise, give thanks above herb liberation. Set it free from the mountains to the shining sea. Herb liberation, the world unite. Lift Jah name in the herb's pure light.
The chant of freedom touch the sky. The rhythm roll, the roots run deep. Herb liberation, Jah truth we keep. The ganja farmer are the backbone true. Cultivating Jah herb for me and you. No more jail cells for the sacred plant. We chant Jah name, we sing Jah chant. Oh, the herb bring peace, the herb bring calm. A remedy for the world in Jah holy palm. Herb liberation, the time is now. We fight for the cause, Jah show we are. Herb liberation, set it free. From the mountains to the shining sea. Herb liberation, the world unite. Lift your name in the herb's pure light. Oh Jah, let the herb grow wild and pure. The healing of nations forever endure. Herb liberation, Jah blessing flow. Forever in Jah love, the ganja grow. Sweet sensation, she called me name. From the hills where the ganja flame, she wrapped me up in a warm embrace. Take my mind to a higher place. Oh, me can't resist the vibe she bring. Lift my soul, make the heart start sing. She come from the mountains, pure and free. Every moment with her feels like eternity. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. The kind of love that me can't dismiss. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. Me need her touch, me no want miss. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. Lift me up when my life feel twist. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. She are the one who bring true happiness. From sunrise till the night draw near, she make my troubles them disappear. People attack but them can't see how this herbal queen she a guide me. Them say my fool fi hold her tight, but me know she make my spirit bright. Call it love, call it what you may, but me can't live without her for a single day. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. The kind of love that me can't dismiss. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. Me need her touch, me no want miss. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. Lift me up when my life feel twist. Herbal bliss, herbal bliss. She are the one who bring true happiness. Dub style, instrumental break. Blow the smoke, let it rise, let it flow. She take me higher where the good vibes grow. In the hills where the green trees sway. She am a light in every great day. Oh sweet ganja queen, you make me whole. Bring clarity deep down in my soul. Herbal bliss, she a one of a kind. Forever stay here, my peace of mind. Guide me steps, light me way. Ganja smoke rise, make the darkness sway. Me trod upon the path where the ancients trod. Journey to Zion, me hold Jarad. Me light the herb to clear my mind, for leave the Babylon chains behind. Each puff me feel the spirit rise, lift my soul to the bluest skies. The breeze a whisper truth and peace, the mountains echo love that never cease. My eyes them open, my heart feels strong. Jah wisdom guide me as me move along. Journey to Zion, me trod with Jah light. Ganja in me hand make the burdens feel light. Every puff of prayer, every step a song. To the gates of Zion, my spirit belong. Them say the road is rough and steep, but Jah love protect me, my soul he'll keep. Herbal smoke is the bridge me need, we connect to Zion and plant Jah seed. My vision clear as the rhythm flow, the drums of creation my heart them know. Each leaf a blessing, each flame a key, unlock the gates of eternity. Journey to Zion, we trod with Jah light. Ganja in me hand make the burdens feel light. Every puff of prayer, every step a song. To the gates of Zion, the spirit belong. Oh Jah, me say me rise, through the earth, me say me see your eyes. The hills are call, the river sings. Zion awaits where the lion is king. Me not turn back, me not lose faith. The earth give me strength, Jah open the gate. Babylon falling, the truth set free. Zion is calling, come walk with me. Oh, me chant and me praise as me journey through. The herb is sacred, the path feels new. My brethren, my sister, join the song. Together we trod where we all belong. Journey to Zion, me trod with Jah light. Ganja in me hand make the burdens feel light. Every puff of prayer, every step a song. To the gates of Zion, my spirit belong. Oh Jah, the zen waits beyond the hill. The herb is Jah love, the cup that he fills. Journey to Zion, me sing me song. Forever in Jah love, my spirit belong. Me not turn back, me not lose faith. The herb give me strength, Jah open the gate. Babylon falling, the truth set free. Zion is calling, come walk with me, me. Oh, me chant and me praise as me journey through. The herb is sacred, the path feels new. My brethren, my sister, join the song. Together we trod where we all belong. Journey to Zion, me trod with Jah light. Ganja in me hand make the burdens feel light. Every puff of prayer, every step a song. To the gates of Zion, my spirit belong. Oh Jah, me like the herb and me meditate. The kush bring peace, the mind elevate. Through the smoke, me vision clear. Guided by Jah, me nah feel no fear. Me light the spliff with the morning breeze. Feel the vibes flow like the waves of seas. The cushion on me hand, me mind at rest. The meditation deep, me feel Jah bless. The world a spin but me stay still. The herb connect me to Jah's will. Me close me eyes and me start to pray. Give thanks for the life Jah give today. Push meditation, my soul feel free. Lift my spirit like the highest tree. Push meditation, the rhythm so sweet. Guided by Jah, me find my peace. The troubles of the world, them fade away. The kush make the dark clouds drift away. The bass line roll, the drum beat strong. Me heart beat steady, the vibes prolong. Me chant for the healing, me chant for life. The herb is the burden, the herb cut strife. Me find Jah light in every post. The meditation show me Jah love enough. Push meditation, my soul highest tree. Kush meditation, the rhythm so sweet. Guided by Jah, me find my peace. Oh Jah, the smoke rise high, carry me prayer up to the sky. The rhythm echo through the night. Kush meditation, my heart feel right. The herb is a guide, a teacher, a friend, a sacred gift that Jaja send. Me walk with the herb through the hills so high. The Kush bring truth, can't tell no lie. Oh, the vibe so pure, me can't compare. The meditation deep, me find Jah there. From the roots to the leaf, Jah wisdom flow. Kush meditation make me soul grow. Kush meditation, my soul feel free. Lift my spirit like the highest tree. Kush meditation, the rhythm so sweet. Guided by Jah, me find me peace. Oh Jah, the herb are the key. Unlock Jah wisdom, set me free. Kush meditation, Jah love prolong. Through the herb, me sing Jah song. Well, if you're looking for me, you know, send me there in the corner. In the corner. With that drinking on me left and right hand, while I spliff off the ganja. When the bass line dropping at the rhythm, me have to rock on the data. Me just a groove to the vibes, and you know we soon come after. Can't tell you what you do, but me I live me life me own way. Every day me just want to smoke, drink and love up me gal to some reggae. Me ring up on the phone, say me soon reach home, gal get ready. Me got the herb and a little booze, you know say me choose to smoke, drink and love me gal to some reggae. Long day done, me touch down, the vibes them real, me feel the sauna. Just link tree brother from Cali, them connect me with the farmer. Taxi man a run him out, chat enough but me nah bother. Reach me yard, me girl a smile and ask me what takes so long. Can't tell you what you do, but me I live my life me own way. Every day me just want to smoke, drink and love up me girl to some reggae. Me ring up on the phone, say me soon reach home, girl get ready. Me got the herb and a little booze, you know say me choose to smoke, drink and love me girl to some reggae. Vibes a flow, the rhythm sweet, the ganja nice, the mood complete. Me girl a wine, me heart a beat, the love me feel, it a run deep. Every day me give thanks for life. Jah bless me for the peace and light. Me just a smoke, me just a drink, me hold me girl tight in the night. Can't tell you what you do, but me I live my life me own way. Every day me just want to smoke, drink and love up me girl to some reggae. Me ring her on the phone, say me soon reach home, girl get ready. Me got the herb and a little booze, you know say me choose to smoke, drink and love me girl to some reggae. Yeah, the vibes are blessed, roots are run strong. Me girl by my side all night long. Jah guide me steps, the rhythm I play. Me smoke, me drink, me love, me got to reggae.
vibes are blessed, roots are run strong. Me gal by my side all night long. Jah guide my steps, the rhythm I play. Me smoke, me drink, me love, me gal to reggae.
Such a short way up, but the journey long way down. Chalice it a bubble like we day a red town. The vibes that bring so strong, it a feel way by pound. Fields of marijuana, yeah, that I'm a playground. Me say me virgin, you're the prettiest flower, I can't complain. When me there with them, my eye rise above the rain. You know mash up people life like cocaine. Nah. You no left them lonely, no bring no pain. The strain you carry, yeah, it the on top plane. It's sticky and sweet like a gummy frame. When me grind you up, me leaves them remain. To love you risky, them might detain. But me not stop like on the highest plane. And any man will know you will always proclaim. Medication, the medication lift me high. Just be patient, like a patient me a try. Levitation, I feel it running through my spine. Elevation, your medication blow my mind. Your leaves are green, your purples and blue. You heal the little bee. Your leaves of green, your purples and blue. You heal a little pig. Leaves are green, your purples and blue. You heal the little pig. Your leaves are green, your purples and blue. You heal the little pig. One day, you know me say one day. Sometime me lay under the moonlight. Give thanks with your light, me still there a fight. Then me pray Jah not take me soon. Me there upon earth for the mission true. Sometimes the tears them a run like rain, but me nah let the pain lock my brain. Negativity want circle round, but me know say Jah love and wear the crown. So me say, all my life with the waiting pan. Been a praying for the people them. They say no more war, no more fight for the pitney them play. Make we unite. One day, we say one day, oh 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 oh. One day, we say one day, oh oh oh. Them say no need for win or lose, 'cause when blood a spill, Jah heart bruise. The innocent a cry, pavement stain, but me keep on trotting through the stormy rain. In this your maze, you can lose your way. Hey top man, you might go stray, but Jah wisdom guide me upon my path. Me chant a prayer, me know me I make it that last. All my life me the waiting pon. Been a praying for the people them. They say no more war, no more fight for the people. mind, treat people the same, not deal with no hate. One day, we all are go free, singing freedom tune, Jah melody, way oh, way oh. Chant me say way oh, sing it loud, way oh, way oh. Chant me say way oh, me say one day way oh. All my life me the waiting pon, been a praying for the people them. He said no more war, no more fight for the pitney them. Play make we unite. One day, me say one day, whoa one day, me say one day, one day, me say one day. So one day, oh Jah, give thanks for the herb. It lift me soul, it calm me nerve. The earth it grow, the sun it shine. A gift from Jah, so pure divine. And the mist is clear, my light a spliff and my spirit repair. The scent of the herb, it fill the air. A blessing from Jah beyond compare. The ancients know, the Rasta say, the healing herb, to guide the way. It ease the pain, it clear the mind. A secret gift Jah make for mankind. Blessed by the herb, oh Jah me give praise. It guide my steps through the winding maze. Blessed by the herb, the truth it reveal. For the mind, for the body, the soul it heal. Me carry the herb from hills to town. The ganja vibes make the world spin round. Them fight the herb, them call it wrong, but Jah know the truth, the herb make we strong. Them can't suppress what the earth provide. The ganja plant is Jah pure guide. From roots to leaf, every part divine. I give for the heart, for the soul, for the mind. Blessed by the herb, oh Jah me give praise. It guide my steps through the winding days. Blessed by the herb, the truth it reveal. For the mind, for the body, the soul it heal. Oh Jah the herb body key, lift we higher, set we free. The bassline roll, the rhythm pure. True Jah herb, we find the cure. Oh, me chant this song for the ganja man, the healer of nations, the herb in a hand. From the fields of Jamaica to the world so wide, ganja vibes make the people unite. It make me strong, it make me wise. The herb of Jah, it open me eyes. Oh Jah, me say the herb a bless. Forever me chant Jah love express. Blessed by the herb, oh Jah me give praise. It guide me steps through the winding maze. Blessed by the herb, the truth it reveal. For the mind, for the body, the soul it heal. Oh Jah bless the herb for the nation, a sacred plant for the meditation. From the earth it rise, so free, so pure. Blessed by the herb, Jah love endure.
Give strength to the people, the power is ours. We rise unstoppable. The drum beat call for justice now. Power to the people, just show we owe. The rich man sit on the golden throne, while the poor man struggle for call a home. Them take we vice, them take we right, but the people rise up, we ready for fight. We not stay silent, we not stay weak. We chant the truth and make the system tweak. Unity are the key, the power is we own. The seeds of revolution already sown. Power to the people, we not back down. From the ghetto to the hills, we chant it loud. Power to the people, let the whole world see. The strength of the masses set the captives free. The youth, them tired of the same old game. Politician promise, but them bring more pain. The system a profit on the poor man's sweat, but Jaja say freedom, don't you forget. The drum beat a echo through the dusty streets. The people unite where the struggles meet. Them a push we down, but we rise up high. The power of Jah make the wicked man cry. Power to the people, we not back down. From the ghetto to the hills, we chant it loud. Power to the people, let the whole world see. The strength of the masses set the captives free. Oh, the rhythm strong, the voices rise. Freedom chant echo through the skies. Babylon shake when the people sing. The revolution roll like a lion's king. Oh, my brethren, my sister, hold your ground. The power in our unity will turn things round. Now fight we hate, but with love so pure. We build up the future, make it secure. The earth cry out, the time is near. Jah people rise up, we not live in fear. The fire blaze bright, the mission clear. Power to the people, Jah wisdom steer. Power to the people, we not back down. From the ghetto to the hills, we chant it loud. Power to the people, let the whole world see. The strength of the masses set the captives free. Oh Jah, the people rise today. The power is we own the righteous way. The drum beat strong, the heart unite. Power to the people, Jah give the light.
Try to break with spirit, but Jah keep we whole. The fire not the heart, it burn within the soul. From the fields to the city, my people a fight. The system a crumble in the morning light. Babylon chains can't hold we no more. We tear them down from the root to the core. The voice of the youth like thunder it ring. We chant out the truth, Jah blessings we bring. Rise up strong, my people rise up tall. The wicked will fall. Jah guide us all. Rise up strong, let the drum beat roll. Together we stand, one heart, one soul. The elders them want, but we never did hear. Now the struggle reveal the truth so clear. Unity are the key for break the chain. Love are the weapon for heal the pain. Them a spread them lies, but the truth will show. The roots are grow deep, the rivers them flow. From the hills to the valleys, we carry the flame. The people rise up, call Babylon name. Rise strong, my people rise up tall. The wicked will fall. Jah guide us all. Rise up strong, let the drum beat roll. Together we stand, one heart, one soul. Oh, the rhythm strong, the fire blaze, the chants are echo through the golden rays. Drums of freedom make the system quake. Babylon fear the love we create. No matter the trials, no matter the tests, with Jah on our side, me know we are blessed. The lion within, it roars so loud. My people rise up, so brave, so proud. The sunrise a shine upon the warrior face, guided by Jah in this holy space. The future is bright, the struggle near done. Rise up strong, the victory won. Rise up strong, my people rise up tall. The wicked will fall. Jah guide us all. Rise up strong, let the drum beat roll. Together we stand, one heart, one soul. Oh, my people rise up, rise up. The time I know no make them hold you down. Jah light shine bright, we not give up. We chant for the righteous crown. Oh, my people rise up, rise up. The time I know no make them hold you down. Jah light shine bright, we not give up. We chant for the righteous crown. Oh Jah, the sacred leaves are grow. Oh, I give for the people the truth we know. For the healing of the nations, Jah make it free. The herb of life, Jah bless the tree. The sacred leaves, them a call me name. Ease the pain and heal the strain. From the hills of Zion, the Ganja flow. Jah wisdom hidden where the roots them grow. Oh, me light the herb for my meditation. I bridge the Jah, a holy connection. The earth provide for the mind and soul. The sacred leaves that make me whole. Sacred leaves, Jah bless the vine. Healing vibes in every line. Sacred leaves, the herb so pure. A gift from Jah for the world endure. Oh, them fight the herb with laws and lies, but Jah truth rise like the morning skies. Them can't suppress what the earth provide. The sacred leaves keep Jah spirit alive. The elders know, the ancients stand. The Ganja cure more than medicine grant. From the roots to the flowers, Jah power reside. The sacred leaves make the people unite. Sacred leaves, Jah bless the vine. Healing vibes in every line. Sacred leaves, the herb so pure. A gift from Jah for the world endure. Oh Jah, let the smoke rise high. The sacred leaves make the spirits fly. The rhythm roll, the heart beat true. Jah herb make the world brand new. Oh, me chant for the farmer, the healer, the guide, who nurture the herb with love and pride. The sacred leaves I make the blind man see. The herb I Jah give for you and me. Babylon tried, but them can't control. The herb of Jah is for every soul. The sacred leaves bring peace and calm, a shelter of love in Jah holy palm. Sacred leaves, Jah bless the vine. Healing vibes in every line. Say